This is a cast of a fire ant nest. Melt the aluminum and I just pour it into it and it just slowly fills up the chambers. Just gonna go ahead and start sanding this. Picking up a stick and using it as a sword is one of the first things kids do when they start playing together. When you offer them a chance to make a real sword, they are all over it. All right, we're about there. We're going to use a casting box. We're going to make what's called a two-part mold. We're going to be using what's called green sand, casting sand mixture that I mix up myself. One of the great things about sand casting is I always have their full attention, which is every teacher's dream. And I'm going to place it with the hilt facing up. That's how they poured them during the Bronze Age. That part is historically accurate. Now I'm going to cut a pathway for the aluminum to get in. This is called cutting a sprue. There it is. I use scrap and then I melt those down and I pour those into like a little stainless steel cup. We're gonna use that. This is great for making swords. There actually never were any aluminum swords in history because aluminum came along too late. And there it is. All right, that's it. This leather comes to us courtesy of college students throwing away their leather couches at the end of the semester. And there it is. As a teacher, I feel like I'm giving them really valuable knowledge, more like understanding of how things work.